such, they will just have, they have Macbeth, but that's an introduction to Shakespeare. Like Macbeth is not coming in class 9 and 10. So that is just an introduction.
Okay. So, ma'am, in which days you go for his physical classes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. As soon as April starts, you can start off with the physical classes.
Ma'am, which days, like Monday to then can he go? Like now, he said so we can go.
Ma'am, Saturday morning, that was his class hours. Like,
yes, before it was Saturday morning, he coached for basketball.
Okay. So he won't be able to do on Saturday morning. Then someday in the evening, ma'am. Someday in the evening.
Yeah, ma'am. Because now that he can go, he's at home, so he can go any day. Which day you say him? He can go twice, once. Which day it is possible? I'll say you, ma'am. Today will be his all-night classes, and which day it is possible? I'll send him.
Okay. Let me just get on. Get back to my house, and then I'll tell you which days. Like I am staying in the physical class, ma'am. I'm actually regularly staying in the physical class. So any day that is suitable, you can send him.
Yes, ma'am. You just inform me, ma'am. In a week, twice. Now that we can go twice also.
Okay.
Later he go once, ma'am.
Okay.
Whenever you get. And ma'am, what about the fees, ma'am?
Fee structure, ma'am, I'll let you know later because we haven't yet dealt with it. Means I haven't yet sat with it. Let this month be over, then I'll sit with it. I'll let you know.
Okay,
But Rudradeep is obviously an old student, so obviously the consideration is there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, every month, ma'am, you're giving the fees, so ma'am, I'm sending it online every month.
Yes. I get it, ma'am.
Ma'am, the next month, please, ma'am, let me know, ma'am, when you are starting and which day you'll be going so that I'll be able to send him. I have to start his work now.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do the needful.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, where have you been?
I am in my in-laws' place.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Heroes. And one heroine also. Listen, today I don't have the book. And do you want me to go to that, like, surf it in the net and then carry on? Because I don't have the book with me. Please speak.
Yes, ma'am, you can do that.
Ma'am, we can also try sending you the photos in the group.
You you share screen na. Somebody share screen and give the photos. That will be better.
बुक शेयर स्क्रीन तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग
सभी लोग में ग्रुप में फोटो मत शेयर करना ग्रुप में फोटो शेयर मत करना यही है
जिसके पास लैपटॉप है शेयर कर Why is the attendance so poor? I have come here to enjoy myself. I am taking classes, and students, they are just enjoying themselves. They're not doing the class. What is this? Why are you raising your hand? For this, you are raising your hand.
That was not raising my hand. That was a dance option.
That is not raising hand. What is that?
That was a dance option.
Dance option.
Ma'am, can you see this?
Portia, away then I am locked in one of them.
Ma'am, we are in line 45. From that, the comparison may stand.
We are in lines 45. Okay, fading in music.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so um, that the comparison may stand. Wait. That the compare. I'll put this off and I'll get back into my usual format. Am I being audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So then if he
हम
looks,
लोग
he
कौन सा
will.
लाइन में है?
अरे हम लोग ये है swan like end, and for this we have said that swan doesn't quack throughout its life, and for here Pranshu had given a very nice what's that called example, what albino or whatever he said, that's the white swan.
Ma'am,
um,
albino.
yeah, so they are the like it's not the white swan, they are obviously the white duck, and that they don't quack, you don't hear them quacking throughout their lifetime, but you hear them quack when they are about to die. So when they're about to die, we know that they are quacking. So that's the comparison may stand more proper. My eyes shall be the stream and watery deathbed for him. So he says that I'm going to cry, 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 and make the pond of water with my tears. And then he is going to die. He being a swan will die there. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody has anything to ask?
No, ma'am.
Wow. Then music is even as the flourish when the subjects go to a new crowned
Ma'am, your
monarch. So,
voice is echoing. Your
yeah,
voice is echo codes. It's not clearly audible.
so what do I do? I told you that there might be trouble.
Pransu, are you unmuted?
Yes.
Can you please mute, like, for now, because ma'am's
Okay.
voice is not
Just
clear.
Okay,
Now you
so
speak.
and watery deathbed for him, he may win. And what is music then? If he wins, then what is the kind of music that we are going to give him? Then music is even as the flourish when true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. That is, this time when he is like when he wins me, then we are going to have music like a king ascending the throne and the subjects giving him that reverence, that respect, and bowing down to him. Even as the flourish means when it can be heard, when the true subjects, like subjects who are very, very loyal to the king, bow to a new crowned monarch, when they bow down their heads to a newly crowned king. Why? Why do people bow down their head to somebody superior? Why should this be done?
Mark of respect.
Out of respect and out of loyalty also. Hmm. That is, see, I maybe I'm in an organization where somebody is above me, I have to respect him, but that respect comes from that position that he has. But true subject, if the subject is a true subject, then he'll have his loyalty for the king, always and forever, loyalty for the king. So there are subjects who have sacrificed their lives for the king, so many subjects, so that is very needed. So those are the subjects, they bow down to the king and they bow down with this respect ki, yes, you are my monarch, I accept you, and I'm ready to carry on doing whatever work you give me. When true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch, such it is as. Acha, one example is this. The second example is such it is as are those dulcet sounds in the in the break of day. In the break of day that creeps into the dreaming bridegroom's ear and summon him to marriage. That is, uh, when a marriage ceremony takes place, from the morning there is music and all. We are all Indians. हम लोग का तो शहनाई is very common. कि when there is this shadi badi, so we have शहनाई is considered to be one of the most like it's only heard. And yeah, for bachelor's party, this
What
मैम
that.
is it?
शादी वाड़ी में
किससे
खाना
करते
भी
हैं?
होता है मैम।
हाँ
खाना खाना मैम खाबार।
अरे खाना we are तो talking about music. अब खाना we are not talking about we are talking about
नहीं
super.
मैम, शादी वाड़ी मीन्स खाना मैम। म्यूजिक इज अ सेकेंडरी थिंग मैम।
Oh goodness. शादी बाड़ी means खाना.
यस मैम, टोटली मैम।
अरे you all don't enjoy. मतलब apart from the खाना, everything that is there, all the rituals and everything, सब कुछ तो है enjoyment के लिए. कोई enjoy नहीं करता. That is sad. सिर्फ खाना एंजॉय करते हो तुम लोग. सुन के भी मुझे दुख लग रहा है. अच्छा ठीक আছে खाना, but over here it's music, right? So such it is, um, as are those dulcet sounds. Those dulcet means those pleasant sounds in the break of day, means the boy who is getting married, he'll get up in the morning and he will hear the beautiful pleasant music coming to his ears, and he'll understand, oh, today is my wedding day. Wow, lovely. Abhyuday Agarwal left. अरे वो कहाँ गया?
Turn
Yeah,
the page.
yeah.
You
The
never.
last page,
You finished
I
that.
just have it once again, like dulcet sound. I didn't
You
finish
finished.
it off. अभ्युदय तेरा क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? Okay, so here, and the dulcet sounds in the break of day that creeps into the dreaming bridegroom's ear. He is sleeping. When he gets up from his sleep, the first thing that comes to his ears is the beautiful notes of music, and that summon him to marriage. And then he realizes ki okay, today is my wedding day, and I think everybody loves his wedding day. I think people should, if they are committed enough to get married, then they should like the wedding bells ringing for him. Yeah, Pranshu, now change the page. Okay. Now he goes. Now Bassanio is going. With no less presence, but with much more love. That is, as he is going to take a chance, I will love and respect him more, because you do respect people, but if you see that that person is trying his level best to do something for you, then automatically your respect for him manifolds. If I might respect a person normally, Shakespeare has given us a lot of examples from daily life. And when we are doing Merchant of Venice, we shouldn't concentrate ourselves only to the doing of Merchant of Venice. We should learn the lessons of life also. And one of the most important lessons of life is paying respect. To whom do we pay respect? That is very important. We don't pay respect. See, if I am sitting here as a teacher, you all will say, good afternoon, good evening, yeah, and everything that is to be said to a teacher, that will be said to me. But whether you all respect me or not, that comes from, like, internally you all are respecting me or not, that comes from a different level. That comes when you all see that I have that integrity. So if you all see that, then only you all will. Where is Vanshika and Pranshu? Pranshu is sharing screen, so it's okay. Vanshika? Okay. Vanshika, don't lose out. Don't sleep. And I only have 4 people. Shreyas didn't attend the class. Smart
No.
enough. Artida didn't attend the class. Nobunil did not attend the class. His mother is so, if one class is missed, then
Abhyuday,
Abhyuday is coming and going. He has a whole lot of network issues. Every day he has network issues. I have to bring him to my class physical. Otherwise, his network issues will never end. Never ending issues. So, okay, here we are. With no less presence, but with more love. So, why is this sentence said? Particularly written by Shakespeare in order to show that as Bassanio is going to take a risk for me, Portia, that is why I am going to respect him more. So he is going with much more love and much more respect. Acha. Than young Alcides when he did redeem the virgin tribute paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. Now here we draw an allusion from mythology. That is, when there goes this mythology that there was this sea monster. He would come every month or every week, I don't know. He would come and he would take away one maiden from Troy to eat her up. And that was his choice. He can come and pick up anybody. And obviously, when that girl is picked up and she is taken away, then the others would cry, because obviously that they couldn't do anything to kill the monster. Alcides, who is Alcides, by the way? Who is Alcides? Let's see. Give no. Don't tell me who is Alcides. Give me another synonym of Alcides.
Please.
Alcaeus. I think Hercules was also called Alcaeus.
Yeah, Hercules only. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, Alcaeus.
So here we are. So he, obviously we know him as a very, very strong person. So he once went and killed the sea monster, thereby saving all the girls. The rest of the girls, they did not follow prey to the sea monster. So over here, this allusion is being drawn. Now tell me, a sea monster killing a girl, why is this allusion used here? Is Shakespeare writing nonsense? Is um,
Ma'am, what I get from the line is that she's trying to say that over here she respects Bassanio more than she would have respected Hercules when he tried to save that girl.
Pranshu, I didn't get you. Will you come with it again?
Ma'am, I think that Portia is trying to say that she respects Bassanio more than she would have respected Hercules when he went to save the girl.
Others are agreeing to him. Amoga, you agree?
I'm not agreeing to him, I'm agreeing with him. Isn't it?
But I don't agree. Vanshika, do you have any other points to be given? Amoga is more into, correcting
No,
me
ma'am.
rather than Dhruv.
Ma'am.
Acha. Vanshika, tell me what was Pranshu's point? How did Pranshu try to explain this?
Ma'am,
And to him, I didn't agree. Huh?
ma'am,
See, if this is the level of attention that is being paid in the class, then I better keep the class between Amoga and Pranshu only. Dhruv, you make a try. Absenteeism won't do. If you just don't
Yes,
want to
क्या ma'am?
think and want to give out when the teacher is asking, it won't do. Now, bolo,
क्या बोले?
what was
प्रांशु का पॉइंट
Pranshu's
बोला था.
point that I disagreed to? And according to Amoga, disagreed with.
मैम अच्छे से नहीं सुना प्रांशु का पॉइंट.
किसका पार्ट अच्छे से सुनते हो?
आपका.
तुम लोग कुछ भी नहीं सुन रहे हो, तुम लोग सिर्फ फालतूमी कर रहे हो. As soon as I ask something, any question, Vanshika, you carry on with your point. Before all come up to class 10. Class 10 वाला maturity होना चाहिए. Otherwise, you all will be demoted to class 8.
Ma'am, can it be that over here Bassanio is Hercules and Portia is the virgin tribute and like he is trying to save her by winning her for himself?
Exactly. Exactly.
But ma'am, Hercules didn't save the girl because he was in love with her.
No, no. Love is not coming over here.
Oh.
This
So, ma'am,
Yes, yes. Carry on.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll carry on with this. Vanshika, you have to give me this mythological allusion. Again, Vanshika's network is giving trouble. As soon as the teacher is asking something, Dhruv, tera network trouble nahi de raha. Vanshika, I said that today I might be having network problem because I'm traveling. I'm going somewhere else. But here I can see that my children are having more trouble. Only Pranshu and Amoga is like studying. Vanshika, you seem to be having a lot of network issues.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, again and again, the back button in my mobile is getting pressed. Ma'am, I wanted to say that I cannot understand Pranshu's point. Can you repeat once again? I cannot understand his point.
Pranshu, your point, Vanshika cannot understand. Will you repeat?
Ma'am, my first point is that Portia is trying to say that she has more respect for Bassanio than she would have for Hercules as he tried to save the girl. And the second point is that she may also be
I
comparing.
negated this. I didn't like this point. Then
Yes,
he
ma'am.
said another point. Yes.
That she might also be comparing Bassanio to Hercules and herself to the girl who was being sacrificed, as in that Bassanio was saving her by winning her.
Yes. Bassanio saving her by winning her. This is a very, very correct explanation that is given. The earlier explanation is not what the text demands. Okay, so let me carry on. Now, Vanshika, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you explain.
Mm, Ma'am, uh, ma'am, I need to explain the mythological illusion.
Allusion, yes.
Uh, mm. Ma'am, just the way Hercules is saving the girl, saving the girl and protecting her, the same way Bassanio is also saving Portia by getting married to an unworthy suitor. And
Yes, more or less on track. Hmm.
he would like we all know that he will choose the correct casket and yet he will marry Portia. So he's saving and protecting her while getting married from an unworthy suitor.
Okay. To the sea monster, I stand for sacrifice. The Wait. I stand for sacrifice. She says that I am ready for sacrifice and he's going to save me. The rest aloof are the Dardanian wives, and the rest who are there in my room, they are all the Dardanian wives, who with bleared visages, that is, with their face smeared in tears, come forth to view the issue of the exploit. They are all coming forward in order to see what choice is being done, whether the correct choice is being done or not. That's very important that the choice should be correct. If the hero doesn't do a correct choice, then that's like bad. Go, Hercules, live thou, I live. So, go, Hercules, please proceed. If you live, then I live. If you are wrong, if you cannot save me, then obviously Acha, just think. Think, for example, supposedly Bassanio didn't choose the right casket, right? He chose the silver casket, or no, golden casket, and he did not choose the lead casket. What would the consequence be? Have you ever thought what would the consequence be? We think of the entry of a new hero? Could Shakespeare have given
Uh,
another point of
Ma'am,
view?
first of all, that would be like a total heartbreaker, and then I most probably Portia would just forego her father's will and marry Bassanio. And if she does not do that, then the problem arises that Bassanio has spent all the 3,000 ducats, and now he has nothing to pay back to Antonio, and Antonio will die as Portia will not come to save
So
him.
I had another
And
idea in my head. I was thinking
what?
that Bassanio would bring Antonio back. I thought that after that we can do something else. We can add a twist in this story. Antonio borrows another 3,000 ducats from Shylock, goes over, meets Portia, wins, and then comes back with both the amounts. That is my idea.
Another 3,000 ducats. Why would Shylock lend him?
Shylock is more or less settled
Shylock
now.
is not the only one, someone else.
Shylock is happy enough.
Wait,
He
what
is
did you
not
Yeah.
going to lend anymore.
Yes,
He is
yes,
happy to have Antonio.
exactly. He's already happy that he has Antonio. He will not go one step further.
Ma'am, the story wouldn't continue as much and it would be a tragedy then. Because then Antonio would surely be dead and Bassanio would also be heartbroken and so would be Portia. Most probably Graciano and Nerissa would marry each other, and of course Jessica and Lorenzo have run away.
Yeah, no, Graciano and Nerissa won't marry because they
पर
later
वैसे
in
भी
the
वो
play
जीविका
they say
नहीं
that
तो एक रास्ता है मैम.
क्या रास्ता है?
मैम एक रास्ता है कि बसानी उसे याद करता है कि उसका दोस्त जेसिका और लॉरेंसो दोनों भागे हैं तो वो 3,000 विकेट हम लोग से लेता एंटोनियो का कर्ज भर देता वो उसके बाद आता पॉइंट दूसरा कि यदि उसका हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाता तो ही
Moga,
ऑफ
if
कोर्स
you are
वुड नॉट गोइंग टू
forgetting, Bassanio does take 3,000 ducats back to Shylock in the court, but Shylock refuses to accept it because
Yes.
he would rather
अरे
have
यार क्योंकि
Antonio's
the
life.
months are over.
How could he? Okay, yeah, he won't wait for the marriage. Most probably, but Bassanio would have waited so that he could spend some more time with Portia. Some way
That
or the
that
other,
that
we
is
can reach
that's
the
a nice
Three
conclusion that
conditions याद है
Antonio
या
died.
नहीं? Remember the three
Oh,
conditions?
yeah, he has to leave. Okay, then,
Yes,
yeah, that
if
may
he
also
leaves,
work out. He leaves right after that. He goes to Antonio, finds out about the ships. He borrows money from, but how would he know that where are Lorenzo and Jessica?
अरे भाई उसी के दोस्त हैं उसी ने हम लोग को भेजा है कहीं
But
वो लोग
but
विनिशियम
they are
गौंडाला
अरे
में
यार
मूव
हम
आउट
लोग
कर
उसके
रहे हैं.
साथ ही थे हम लोग उसके साथ ही थे
they had gone to like which place did you will mention? Genoa, yes. So they
Genoa.
had gone
हाँ
to
जेनोआ
Genoa,
बट उसके
and
बाद they had
Bassanio
gone
doesn't
to
have the amount of money that he needs to go to Genoa just to borrow 3,000 ducats.
अरे यार उन लोग सीधे वहां पहुंच गए थे पोर्शिया के घर पहुंच गए थे उसके बाद तो all he had to do was wait for
But Bassanio
Giuseppe.
would have left for Venice. Then they would arrive at Portia's house in Belmont, and then they would discover that Bassanio has lost and he has already left. And then they would travel to Venice, but by that time, 3 months would be over.
You all know where Genoa is. How far is it from Venice?
Ma'am, like it's also pronounced Geneva right now. Geneva.
That's okay. You tell me where is it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
through the Alps. And if by ship, then it is all around Italy. So that is even more.
So just see the difference. Where? So far away.
And ma'am, here it is showing 4 hours 32 minutes by car. But in those times there were no cars. So if you were to go by let's say what horse cart, then it would take many days. And ma'am, we
Exactly.
don't know the dates that are given over here, or else we could calculate whether Antonio survives or not.
Because just look at the distance. So far away. So, and Shakespeare had everything of this in mind when he
बट
was.
मैम अगर गाड़ी से जाएगा कोई और उसमें आधा घंटा लगेगा
अरे वो
तो
लोग
फालतू
गोंडाला गोंडाला
398.6 kilometers.
398.6 किलोमीटर होएगा
अच्छा ठीक है
कितना
तो फिर
फ्रॉम
100 किलोमीटर पर आवर का स्पीड लगा ले अपने गाड़ी का सीधा भाग जाए तीन
Just
घंटे
a
में
इतना
पहुंच
second.
जाएगा
टाइमली कौन काम करेगा इतना टाइमली कौन काम करता है
Average speed of a horse. 88 kilometers per hour.
keeping that in mind
Horsepower.
horsepower
2 to 3 miles an hour. So just if they are drawing a card, then it becomes more. So 2 to 3. Let's take it to be 3. Then also it will take them 132.9 hours. So that's like 133 hours.
आपको मैथ्स नहीं
Oh,
चाहिए इतना यार
कितना नो मेरा
133,
थिंग है कि कितना दूर दूर है सब
133, 133.
I really like this तुम लोग ना you all find out
Ma'am,
mindset
it would take them about 5 days, 12 hours.
5 days में बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा the world takes a different turn in 5 days क्या क्या तो नहीं हो जाता
Ma'am, Antonio wouldn't survive then.
Antonio wouldn't have because
Ma'am,
उधर
even in the Lord of the Rings, for example, in the appendixes, it is given that Gandalf had met Thorin at Bree, and only then were they able to kill Smaug. But if Gandalf would have missed Thorin even by a day, then they wouldn't have met, and Smaug would be alive. So Sauron would have just used Smaug for to do his bidding, and then the whole of Middle Earth would be under his sway, and the ring wouldn't come out of the Misty Mountains also.
that's why I can see Vanshika's picture has become black and white. She's just not paying attention. Lord of the Rings is something that Vanshika wouldn't want to hear. Dhruv might be interested. So, yes, but whatever you are saying is quite nice. And like, I enjoy like this. Like, you know, if I just do this stupid Shakespeare, then I feel it falls flat and very boring. If I drag it to all this and we have a lively conversation, then I think everybody would love to participate and we can have a lively session. Unfortunately, the people of my class would rather sleep than have a lively conversation. That's the saddest part of the class. uh, okay, so let's continue. Now comes the song, and over here you people are going to find out the clues. It is impossible for
Ma'am,
me.
ma'am, you forgot to tell us what is the meaning of I view the fight than thou that makes the fray.
Oh yeah, I'll do that. I view the fight than thou that makest the fray, means the person who is making the choice. I think I am seeing the fight and I'm more than by the person who is actually doing the performance. Who is actually doing? Basani. Bassanio will actually make a choice of the casket. So making a choice of the casket isn't an easy thing. He has to see the gold casket, he has to see the silver casket, read, analyze, and he is doing all the hard work. And she is just standing over there. So she says this standing, and in anticipation. Standing in anticipation is much more scary than doing the real work. Okay, a song whilst Basanyo. हाँ, ये गाना मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है कि गाना क्लू कहाँ देता है.
Ma'am, I can find some clues. Let's first discuss the song.
हाँ, the first song says, "Tell me where is fancy? How do we get fancy?" Fancy means love over here, or in the heart, or in the head. Does
Ma'am,
love?
I don't think it means fancy. I think it means like just affection. Love is different. This is
अच्छा
like a
ठीक है.
crush.
Okay, affection. Okay, affection. Actually, love. We are saying because
Can you
this is
forward infatuation?
in those days उतना differentiation नहीं था. जैसे कि अभी है, lust है, love है, ये है, वो है, admiration है, adulation है, worship है. उतना उन दिनों नहीं था. एक love word में सब कुछ encompass होके आ जाता था. One love. And nowadays we have a lot of uh, uh, things for love. Okay. Tell me where is fancy bread? अच्छा love हो, affection हो. Where is it bred? Where does it take birth? Or in the heart or in the head? Does it take its origination in the heart or does it take its origination in the head? How begot?
I mean,
How?
it's a rhetorical question.
Yeah, this is a rhetorical question.
So, ma'am, the answer is head. Ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. How begot? How nourished? हाँ बोलो.
So, ma'am, the answer is head or heart.
Answer will be heart. Okay.
Okay.
How begot? How nourished? How does it originate? How does it rear itself up? Then all of them, she is asking, reply, reply. Then again, the singer is singing. It is engendered in the eyes, means it originates in the eye. A person who is blind will not love. Cupid himself is blind. Okay. Acha, it is engendered in the eyes with gazing fed and fancy dies. Okay, so it originates in the eyes and then as it goes from one part of the body to another part of the body, it dies. Obviously, it dies in one part of the body. It is carried on to another part of the body. In the cradle where it lies. So in the eyes, which is the cradle? The eyes. From where the fancy started. You see a good looking boy. If a girl sees a good looking boy, he falls in love. If the boy sees a good looking girl, same, vice versa. Okay, let us all ring fancy's knell. Then let us all ring the death bell of fancy. I'll begin it. Ding dong bell. Okay. Acha, I have understood what Pranshu will say. Anyways, let me. Acha, Pranshu, carry on.
Ma'am, what have you understood?
I have understood the fact that Portia is trying to give this clue by saying that if love that is in the eyes, like don't go by any show.
Yes, ma'am. And also, ma'am, the first word that fancy or can also it has two meanings over here. One is for love, and the other is for the fanciness of gold and silver.
Fanciness of the gold and the silver.
So she is warning against them that don't go for them. Choose
Yes,
the letter.
that can also be.
And also, ma'am, how begot, how nourished. This is a flimsy connection, but there is one. Like this refers to birth and nourishment. Both come from water, and in those days, all plumbing was of lead. So in that way, it also refers to lead.
Acha, acha, acha. Again. In those days, what happened?
Ma'am, all the plumbing, the water works were all made of lead.
Waterworks were all made of lead.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. This is a new point, a new twist. This is something that I didn't know. I knew that their waterways were very bad, very badly constructed. They knew nothing, and that is
Ma'am,
why.
from the time of the Roman Empire up to the point where we realized that lead was poisonous, we only use lead in the plumbing system.
Wow, that's something that, like, I have learned it as something very new. Okay, all says reply, reply. It is engendered in the eyes with gazing, fed, and fancy diets. So this we have done. Everybody says, ding. Acha, let's go to the next page.
Ma'am, over here also, it is being born in the eyes. And so again, she is warning that don't go by looks.
Don't go by the eyes. Yeah, that was what I only said. Don't go by the eyes. You gave a very nice turn to it. Amoga, you have
And ma'am,
nothing to
there
say.
might be another flimsy connection. Like over here, let us all ring Fancy's Nell. So Nell is like a very dull, slow song. And
Nell,
then
Nell
there is
is the bell, na? That Christian church mein that bell that is rung in order to
no, ma'am,
proclaim the death of any.
Nell is referring to like the funeral march, the funeral song.
The funeral, and this funeral is going to be uh, it is going to take place if you keep fancy to the eyes.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, the funeral songs are very dull and slow. So the like in that way, the dullness of lead may also be suggested over here. And then the reference to the bell is there. So lead is not sonorous. That it doesn't produce sound when hit. So the dull, there is only a dull clang, very dull. So like if we have a lead bell, then it won't ring very well. So in that way also it may be referring to lead.
Pranshu, again I would say, tell Papa to get you in the IB board. Don't stay in the ICSE, CBSE. You have so much of analytical power. The way you connect, na, it's something simply amazing. Amazing. So if it is so amazing, I need you should be applauded for it. And the board where you are cannot applaud you for all this. Only the IB board is one that's analytical. Amoga, you have nothing to say? So much of discussion.
I was not clear, so I was trying to understand the part. This love story thing, it's going a bit above my head.
You to have a negative orientation towards love stories.
Absolutely, absolutely. Horrible.
अब प्रांशु के जैसे कर लो कि अब यही पढ़ना है, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन, तो इसको ही एक
He the
इतना
subject
इतना
himself.
beautiful angles he is giving to it. I am enjoying my session of Merchant of Venice with you all, because you all are really opening my eyes to a lot of forces which were otherwise not open to my eyes. This is
Some
something
of the
very
processes
nice.
are some processes are too rotten. ऐसे हम कैसे कोई बोल सकते हैं? अगर ऐसे ही अगर कुछ बोलना है तो असली में कुछ बोलो ना.
ए रोटन कहाँ है? ए तुम प्यार व्यार नहीं करोगे क्या अमोगा? इन लाइफ तुम प्यार व्यार नहीं करोगे?
अरे मैम, for that you need to give some real lines, not this flimsy third rate dialogues. आजकल तो अगर इस तरह का डायलॉग मारेगा तो कोई थप्पड़ मार के चला जाएगा.
नहीं, कोई होएगा, कोई एक स्टूपिड सी लड़की जिसको पसंद आएगा तुम्हारा चीजी डायलॉग्स, वो पिकअप लाइंस यूज एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा. एंड यू नो ऑल गुड लुकिंग गर्ल्स
I don't
are
want to
not
risk
very
it. I don't
intelligent.
want to risk it.
Good looking girls are not very intelligent. This
Ma'am,
is
Amogha will get offended.
Vanshika had something to say. ध्रुव तेरा क्या?
अरे तेरे को ये बहुत पर बोलना आ रहा है, बट जब प्रांशु एक पॉइंट बोला था उसके बारे में तेरे को कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है। कैसी व्यक्ति है यार तू?
ओह गॉड, इसके बारे में वंशिका को बहुत बोलना है। ओके ध्रुव तेरा क्या टेक है ऑन दिस? Don't say I'm not paying attention, I don't know what's happening.
व्हाट क्या चीज पे टेक है ये? चाहत ना को इतना सारा चीज कर बात कर रहे हो।
हम लोग किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ध्रुव?
मैम अबाउट अमोगा यू आर टॉकिंग नॉट।
No, I'm not talking about Amoga. I'm
मैम अभी
talking about.
रिसेंटली तो मतलब एक 5 सेकंड पहले आप तो अमोगा के बारे में बात कर रहे थे।
No, we are not talking about Amoga. Amoga was talking about what are his views on something. We were all listening to that, his views on something. इतना virtually absent होने से कैसे चलेगा? You have to be a little more into this. Take part in the conversations. It's nice. It will be nice for you. There's no harm. Okay. But if you don't listen to things and if every time you are like here, there, or your brain is not accepting, then it's not good. हो सकता है कि पेंडेमिक फिर से शुरू हो जाए. एक्चुअली है तो लॉकडाउन एंड पेंडेमिक, आई एम रॉन्ग, आई यूज द रॉन्ग वर्ड, कि तुम्हारा जून से फिर से लॉकडाउन चालू हो जाए. देन कैसे पढ़ोगे क्लास 10?
Ma'am,
क्लास
but
10
I
में तो
had asked, I had asked my father. He told me that if lockdown will take place, it will take place in some pocket areas, not full complete lockdown.
और हम लोग जो पॉकेट एरिया में नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसका तुम्हें कोई गारंटी है?
मैम मैम थोड़े स्टेट्स हैं जैसे मुंबई चेन्नई जहाँ पे मतलब केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, वेस्ट बंगाल में भी बढ़ रहा है, बट only after vaccination we can tell you, they can tell you the total, because vaccination के बाद भी like there have been 45 प्लस के एज ग्रुप में सबसे ज्यादा डेथ हुआ है.
हाँ, so obviously I fall in that age group 45. तो if I die, obviously I will think about taking classes online so that I don't die. Oh God. Wow,
Ma'am, that
what a
will
sad.
not happen.
That will not
एक
happen.
चीज है, एक चीज है, if you are thinking the same lines, if you are thinking the same lines as I am, please don't be offended. मैम ऊपर जाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा नेटवर्क कनेक्शन रहता है, because you'll be very close to the cloud. I'm funny on the word.
Wow, हम लोग अच्छे नोट में डिंग डोंग बेल ये खत्म हो गया, ये पेज भी खत्म हो गया. एंड व्हाट इज द टाइम?
ये डिंग डोंग बेल
26.
खाना चाहिए, दिमाग का डिंग डोंग बेल कर दिया.
हाँ, दिमाग का थोड़ा डिंग डोंग बेल हो गया है आज. इतना ज्यादा हम लोग प्यार प्यार एंड प्यार
सैचुरेशन
एंड
पॉइंट क्रॉस कर दिया है.
सैचुरेशन पॉइंट ऑफ
प्रांशु
प्यार
स्टॉप
क्रॉस.
प्रेजेंटिंग यार, कितना प्रेजेंट करेगा?
ये तो कुछ भी
Join
नहीं.
the discussion.
अरे एवरीबॉडी इज ऑफ, एवरीबॉडी इज ऑफ. अच्छा चलो. Anyways,
नहीं,
Pranshu is
अकेला.
not off. He's so sharing. नहीं, he is also on, but the thing is that he's sharing the screen, na? So that is why he is like shown to be black.
So I told him you can stop it because you're not doing any more of the thing now. आप थोड़ी ना और पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Yeah, let's stop this.
हम तो मस्ती का बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, Abhyuday फालतू he missed the class. He would have learned so much if he would have been in the class today. हम लोग कितना you know, idhar udhar ke baatein we
Bye.
did. And I learned so much from Pranshu today. Okay, bye everyone.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.